to my channel. I got a baking book as a gift from my boyfriend's mom, and I'm really excited about it because I'm going to be having many more baking videos coming to you guys. But first, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. The first recipe in the book is called Gigantic German Cake. Super excited to try it. The only ingredients we are going to need are 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Feel free to use almond flour if you have. It is a lot healthier. I currently don't have any, so I'm going to be using this basic flour, but feel free to use almond flour if you have. 3 eggs. Milk. As you guys know, I don't drink regular milk, but I do love oat milk. Feel free to use any kind of milk you want, whether it's soy milk or almond milk. 2 tablespoons of butter, powdered sugar, and last but not least, the key ingredient, it is maple syrup. I'm gonna follow the instructions as much as I can, but whenever I see the ingredients are a little bit too much for my personal taste, whether it's too sweet or too much sugar, I'm gonna alter it to my own personal preference, and you may do so as well. I'm sure it won't change the taste of the cake that drastically. We are going to preheat our oven to 425 degrees. Now we're going to beat our eggs. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt to the eggs. Time to try it. As you guys can see, I cut it into small pieces, similar to cupcakes, so that it's easier to eat. So good, guys. So good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Vanessa. Bye guys. Till next time.